Okay, so as you could see, I'm getting a Gmail SMTP authentication here error here. As you could see, I have used the smtp gmail.com and port is 587, and I'm not able to send the mails to my mail Python file which I mail. You might be using PHP or something, but today I will tell you why it's not working. So the thing is that what you did here is that here you added your Gmail here, and here you added the password related to that Gmail, so that wouldn't work. Now I will tell you what exactly would work. So simply all you need to go is to account, and here you have to click on manage a Google account. Now things will be quite so here all you need to do is to make sure this two-step verification is on. After that, all you need to do is to go to this app password. Okay, now here it asks for my credentials. Okay, next. Now here all you need to do is as you could see, I have already made one app password here. So this would work for me. Now what I will do is that I will show you for to show you what I will do. I will just keep it as um other, and we'll just say my mailer 2. You could keep any name. You could keep any name here. Okay, and then I will click on generate. Okay, so as you could see, this password here is got generated. Now all you need to do is copy and use it where you were using it. Even in PHP where you were using your Gmail password, just use this password. Okay, here, and add your Gmail here. So I will come after adding my Gmail here. So now I replaced my Gmail in my .env file. So what I will do, I will just run my program. You could easily go with your PHP thing. Oh wait, let me clear the screen first. Open a new terminal, then I will run it. So as you could see, the program runs successfully and the email is being sent to all the 3 email addresses which I had in the CSV file. Okay, so that's all, and thank you. I hope the video helped.